Haven't I warned you about this guy?
Stop it, Bayo. I love him.
Love? Do you know what love is, Nike?
This is what love looks like, Bayo. We're engaged.
I'm sorry, with due respect, sir. I love your sister from the bottom of my heart. And nothing, I mean nothing will change that. You never see anything. This is $1 million for my father and $1 million for me. Making it $2 million. Now take this money and leave my sister alone now.
Bayo, that's a joke, right? He can never leave.
What's up, my people on the day? To the sup, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to stick to the very end because this one is gonna be a blast. Trust me, it's gonna be a blast. So subscribe if you're here to subscribe. You feel me? Subscribe, it is very, very important. And drop nice comments as you watch along. So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Taoma.
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
All the same. It's all the same.
Yes.
All the same. This is for you. This is for you. You know, that's for you. I'll be back, okay? Remember, show kindness and share happiness. Do you understand?
Okay.
Eid forever. I'm coming.
Then come on, go and keep this.
Madam.
Hey, Uncle Alu.
Now the same
How
person,
are you?
no, the same
Uncle
person.
Alu.
Tell me.
Eid Waliyat.
You do well yet. Oh, wow.
Well, I know. Eid Mubarak. Daddy, remember that time I told you that if you need anything, you give me a call. I'm only one calling. Madam.
How is what you are doing? I don't know if it's because of food though. You can't
food though.
Food has finished.
Are you playing?
Oh no. No. I was here like 3 hours ago. I gave Daddy. Did I not give you a pack of Martina?
No, you came. Baby, you said that is for me. You said that is
What do you mean? Who are you in the first place? Why will I give you a Martina?
But she did not tell me anything. She didn't say anything now.
But Daddy, I was here. I booked my space. I don't. Okay, no problem. That's it. That's fine. As there's no food, can I have my Martina back, please?
Okay.
I don't know why people behave like this. This
Now empty container you go give.
Are you whining yourself?
Excuse me, young lady. What's going on? What? Oh my God! What is this? I gave you 24 pieces of a pack of Martina. Why are you giving me 4 empty cans?
Where is the pack? Shebi gave you 1 pack. Where is it? Mommy, why is it lying on my head? You are lying on my head, Uncle Alu. Everywhere you came, you said that it's for me, that you go and share kindness and share happiness. I want to share it for Mommy Tina and Auntie Justina.
You gave my Martina to Mommy Tina. Madam, can you hear a shout? Oh, my Martina. Damn it. Martina's Argentina.
Can you imagine?
Songo, yeah. Mombali nanga.
Sabinus.
Songo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah.
Sabinus, what you go do for woman's house?
Songo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mombali nanga.
For your body, anything for your body, that's believe for your body. Baby,
Nasty.
is this good?
Baby, you know I think you're very handsome, but you're meeting my dad for the first time and you need to dress the way you want to be addressed.
So you are saying this is not good enough?
Let's get you changed.
Bye. Calm me down. Haven't I warned you about this guy? Haven't I warned you about this guy?
Bayo, I love him.
Love? Do you know what love is, Nike?
This is what love looks like, Bayo. We're engaged.
I'm sorry, with due respect, sir. I love your sister from the bottom of my heart. And nothing, I mean nothing will change that. You never see anything. This is $1 million for my father and $1 million for me. Making it $2 million. Now take this money and leave my sister alone now.
Bayo, that's a joke, right? He can never leave.
This luxurious property is going for just 7.
Who are you talking?
You don't buy up. Why you buy $2 million? My guy don't listen. You don't listen to get wrong, come on.
You will
Love it. Okay. Across the border, I will be there still. Money go come, money go. I will be there still. I will be there still. Hey, if I cyber truck, voila. 3 months later, money not finished.
I will send you 5 million, something light for lunch, eh?
Nasty, you, because of $2 million, you broke my heart. Do you know how hurt I was? Did you think about me? Did you think about our love? Anything?
Chaluga, I'm sorry.
Are you really sorry?
Yes, I mean it. I still love you.
Another money again. Another money again. But what's the worry period? You know what your sister married? I don't understand.
Oh, I'm cutting you off. Yes, I'm cutting you off. I have a new cycle I feel comfortable with now. Every time 2K. You know they make me think big. Bro, I never spend up to 24 hours with these people. They don't teach me how to make money. Bro, they told me about AJ Global V, that they are the best when it comes to buying and selling of cryptocurrencies and trading of gift card. You can reach them through their website or their app available at Google Play Store. Bro, I'm cutting you off.
Nada. Your friend, we don't get level.
Bro, this one don't get level. They don't make me think big. Every day they go ask me for 2K. Bro, I end this call.
Bro, we be friends. We can't share updates now.
Let's me that. I feel comfortable with you guys.
Hey, let's chill out now.
Bro, let's chill.
But I don't buy something for you. I won't pay. Who get like cash, like 100K cash?
I don't do with my phone.
And you will do your phone. Run out for him now.
Yes, so yeah, run am for me.
What is that?
100K cash, man, give am.
Okay,
you want to now?
No, I won't call that my friend who I've been the shout for. No, I miss me and the guy friendship.
What brings you all to my shrine? Great Kuku, you see this man, a very wicked man. Land where my grandfather died, live for my father. My father died, live for me. Land where they say, for that land, now they bomb me. Now this man, come follow me the tracker because you know say my papa don't die. Look at you be big in Jago. Jesus. Big in Jago. If you look at our people talk say, begin where they find waiting kill him, papa. If you not take time, waiting kill him, papa. Nduka, we shall see. So you all want to know who is the real owner of the land? Exactly. I am going to do some incantations.
Okay.
And once I am done, I will hit my staff. Whosoever is the owner of the land, the person dragging the land, clothes will go to the owner. Do you understand me? Yes. Your nude go leak. Nduka, I'm going to zero.
My guy, you see all this argument no dey necessary. Now so when I small, my uncles collect the only plot of land my father leave for me before I die. Then drag her come up my hand. As I grow up, come make money, I can't go buy land for Golden Gate Nigeria Limited. They sell better, affordable lands for strategic position with better documentation. They even sell cars in case you buy car. And maybe you want travel, you no get car. If you hire from them, they call logistics. Use and finish, return for them. So all this dragging no dey necessary. Message them for Instagram at Golden Gate Nigeria Limited. They will give you better treatment. You will do business with them clean. For this argument, you know, like no good.
See, I don't hear you. No, but see this case, I must get to the root.
See the real owner.
Why one?
See the real owner.
You remember the Malala what they say my uncle stick when I small?
Yes, I do.
Now the wicked uncles be this, now them be this. Why one?
Uncle Papa, now you don't big like this.
I beg avoid me.
So you too.
Can you imagine?
Those wicked uncles my boy told me about. Naimo, shut up. Here and now, I will deal with you.
Very good.
When I took to say I love you like Gerland. They don't disappear.
Where's one? Bag of cement.
Go start to reduce.
Use and start foundation.
My God.
Oh, it was nice hanging out with you today, man. Yeah,
girls, after the first date versus boys after the
Take
first
care, man.
Text me when you get home.
Sure, I'll do that.
Oh my God, this boy is so cute. He's such a green flag. Let me go and block all my talking stages for him. I can't wait to gist my friends about him in the group chat.
This game never allow me off but so that just begs me myself. Oh my God.
This guy likes to be off but I don't know what's in the problem.
Jesus wept. Oh, I don't scold me though.
Jesus wept. What's your homie?
I beg anybody fear me with ID for this.
Say no more.
What the this?
My brother. You rush the caller ID. You made a shy anyhow. I'm very shocked. Say you bring a coin here. In fact, yes, $200 to bet. Nothing you go fit do that again.
Oh my God!
See, calm down. Take $200. If you bet say you go not the bill. Remember, we go share the profit 50-50 after.
Skills.
Are you?
Come on, baby, let's have it.
This is my first time of coming to your house. You've not even spent anything on me. You're trying to touch me. What's that?
Yeah. I talk this guy don't fit do anything. This money, I'm out.
They play. What's going on? What's that?
Hold on.
How? Technology.
You get it?
Babe, they're praying downstairs.
Hey! You don't know what is going on. We are making money, you are sleeping. You don't know what is going on.
Skills. Yes, $400. Let's have some good time.
Good time.
With your money.
You won't cry with that big car, you will cry.
Get out of my way.
This guy's so sense.
Don't tell me they bring one from this house.
There's no man here. There's no man here.
They tell me there's no one here. What?
There's nobody here.
If you don't I will bite you.
There's nobody here. Serious, babe. Calm down now. There's nobody here. Check now. Okay, now, do you trust me? I said there's nobody here. Don't be coming down, hey baby.
I know they like this thing.
Calm down.
Why are now people saying that you are bringing money? I don't like.
All of experience. I'm different.
You are different.
Yes, no, baby.
I don't just like the gossip what they are.
I know, but I know you've had experience, babe. Just trust me, okay? I don't look like someone that can hold a fly, right? I love you.
You know, like that. Just
calm down, okay? I love you, okay?
No, it's okay now because this Arsenal, Arsenal won't kill me. You remember Melbet.ng when they introduced me, where I used the promo code Nedu, where they give me 100% discount.
Yes, I told me about it. I will take you shopping about it.
Yeah, if I now win, I can't take you shopping. Everybody they beat Leicester, Richard Arsenal, 80 minutes we never score, and I take straight to win.
I miss the way they play bets. Can you imagine?
Only 10 minutes remain for the game.
Now the first way they find me this way. The first way they find.
I swear. Hold on. Who you be? Oh yeah. Amaka!
Sorry, don't cry.
Tao, go and buy me salt, sharp. I want to put it on the street. That is on fire. Sorry, come along. I'm waiting, oh.
Come on, you gotta give number. 1 hour later, they give number.
Why are you running? What happened? I see some guys for that junction. They come, they ask me for direction because I don't answer them. They bully me. I can't stop them and run. They be called boys now. Why you go so bad for you see that one? That one, number one. Jesus. Why you go to stop person? I dey find somewhere I can beg. Wait there. Nobody
come here, beg. Look for
Jesus.
Wait. Oyuku, where you there? I don't know the business. I don't. Oyuku. Yeah.
Good choice now. They see that they buy and sell any kind of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, gift card, anything about cryptocurrency. Now they into. If you message them on WhatsApp, even on Instagram, they are available anytime. I trust them. I swear to God, they're fast.
Okay.
Solo. Can you just leave me alone? You are not my type. Leave me alone. What is it?
What's going on now? What's going on?
Can you imagine this low life? This dead rat? He said he wants me. So me and you gonna track the go. He doesn't even have a car. He doesn't have money. What do I want to do with him?
But bro, why you did stop this fine girl now?
Okay. You love me without money. How is it going to work?
I'm so sorry, my dear. Oh, you're hopping.
Thank you, Jerry.
Not you. Him. Enter motor, eh?
Thank you.
Yes. Love you.
Hey, Baba, thank you. Now the next junction, they good.
Hey, my brother, see, the reason why I carry you be say my car don't stop, and I want me help me push am.
So you don't even stop for me?
Why I go stop for you? I don't understand. Eh? As I help you shame that girl, now you know like him. Why you not appreciative? We use one stone, key to bed. Eh? Go to me help me push him. I say me you go to me help me push him.
Oh yeah, okay. You are gonna go.
To the rush things, leave out.
Better leave and they go.
La caca.
Mozkoh.
Well done, oh boss. Well done, oh. Thank God, the blessing even God carry you come. You be mechanic. Help me check this car out, please. Where did you do the motor now? I don't know what's in drum. If you just come help us check out, where will they go far, I beg? Meshi don't cost. Please, I'll pay you awesomely. Just come. I beg. I dey come here and check out.
Run away. Run away.
Motor just off. Just off, oh. It's just off. I greet you, boss. Nah, your brother? No, my brother. And they see him, I resemble.
I see your update for group chat now.
Hey! Yes, so all these guys, they say their motor spoil, say they need mechanic.
Enough don't come now. What is up? Let's take a class where you say you forget first. What do their motor now?
Mo check now.
Yeah. Don't check the back.
Oh wow, it's working already. You don't dey work.
Yeah. Now when the motor don't work, you go pay us our money.
What you do for the car?
Is waiting.
Leave behind the one I need job.
Boss, I don't get any money here. Now only crypto I get.
Then you go trade am with P-Gold app now. For your Bitcoin and any type of cryptocurrency, you trade am with P-Gold app. They are very fast and
reliable. You don't use your brain.
In fact, you fit download their app for both Android and iPhone. Inside there, so if you see who use and take pay for your utility bill. Trade am make pure and money, bros. No see say P-Gold fast.
It's one plug.
It's sharp. You don't see him.
Nah, confirm. Hey, I don't see him 100 pa.
Sharp.
Thank you.
Oh,
so you inside that bush since? What is snake bite you? You pass us when learn handwork.
No go learn work. Mama they go job.
I don't use your brain.
Una know they look face where. For me to stop for una suppose no say me self get the way me self dey.
Oh, na mine go dey.
Mo dey go.
They don't scope guys, don't want to scope them.
Jesus! Jesus, Muna help!
What happened?
This man, he snatched my bag one of my last 20k 9 days. He said, oh, Muna help me, I beg Jesus, I don't die. Ah, Jesus, Muna help me.
Who there? Go visual. Play one, go. 2.5. 3 away win. Plan 5,000. Fast. Hey! 7 quarter. Go another one. Play 1 away. 2 home. 8 away. Plan 5,000. 5 do am. Chai! Play 1 home. 2 away. 7 home. Load at 10,000. The
20k don't finish with that though. 20k don't finish with that. Just like that.
7. Jesus!
Okay, cut.
Hey, you cut.
The money not finished.
It don't finish.
Shy. Okay, you under arrest though.
Okay, for waiting now.
Not because if that woman money from Mazi Street. It is how they track you.
Okay, I no arrest you.
I be the wait till I go double the money. As you know if you double them, you don't enter trouble.
Just now. Just 20k take finish. Right now.
Actually,
Now what people don't understand?
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. My name is JP, and the P stands for pounds. JP, pounds. I came in respect of your daughter. I just want to pluck this apple way fine well from your compound. That's all. If na money na water. My daughter, you are seeing. I have spent a lot on her. Train her to the university and all. You don't have problem. All you just have to do for me is to take good care of her. Sir, I will do anything possible. Are you man enough to take good care of my daughter? In fact, for me to prove myself that I am JP Pounds, I'll buy you car.
Don't play. Like I said.
You buy me a car. It's a Benz.
My in-law, you are a true in-law. And you have spoken well. And one other problem is that my daughter has a younger brother.
That will not be problem.
You will also take care of him.
Bam, done.
Let's have it.
That's my son.
My boy.
What do you do for it? Papa, what do you do for it?
He said you want to get married to your sister.
And if you walk.
He get a CPO.
As I take care of myself, I bring her come back. Nothing goes spoil.
Boss, very famous.
I beg, I don't have. Maybe come up for you, I don't get. Guy, see, I just want to impress her family. I just want to impress some. See, guy, the car, everything I go return now. Na borrow.
Make life. Make life.
Give me change. I know they follow like they play this on. I hope everybody they hustle. I beg, give me change. I go return them. 20 naira. I beg, give me 20 naira. Everybody. Give me, now 20 now, I'll call the open.
Boss, you don't know me.
Me? Know you.
Boss, swear you don't know me.
Come on, boy, I don't do such.
But you do a lie. I'm not being a said today. One thing you say make you money. You say you don't get money.
Oh.
Papa, that letter is not because I'll be you know.
JP Pounds?
£1.
I didn't want to make us say. But I don't borrow your car, I take person auntie.
Hello. Kirikou, keep quiet.
You be mumu.
Auntie, let me talk. I try to help your official.
Stop, man. Why are you holding my son?
Why they like my clothes now?
What happened to your eyes?
I have thermophobia, son.
My son, talk to me.
Papa, everything I want, they call the track 30 now to auntie.
You go cry. And I know the last question. Because I know before, I for watching this ball line.
Is that true?
One man picking.
JP Pounds.
God forbid.
Sir, Now Joseph or Morio Sarentina, my mama give me.
People want me poor man picking the crap.
I tell you, you go see for street. Oh, this way you do me, first go do you. My.
I was that mom nana mobile. My brother quit the house.
But why you go borrow more to just to impress?
Better model like this, so if I just my cockle this more, I won't get.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know, like me can give them stress.
Makes sense like
So
that.
cool, no they take nonsense. You. Oh
boy, I don't tell you. You know they beg me money for weekdays. I no get.
So, but they know they beg you money for weekdays. Not only for weekend will they beg you.
Nah, guy, anybody hold money for here? Make you chop. You hold money?
Oh, where?
Me, I never hold money since last week.
You uncle?
You wait, they ask how much they want.
I don't hold money now. Why they ask you now? Nah, I don't do that with poor people. Make a day inside.
Shut up!
See poor man, they call another person poor man.
Money for my pocket.
No, so I was saying.
Yes.
Make everybody your live low profile.
No, how come?
What thing be this?
So I see food.
Nana God.
Hey! Wait, and when I even do, can I say?
What God cannot do
does not exist.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Oh.
Yeah. Don't think about it too much.
Don't think about it too much.
No, sir.
After Bonacha.
Mazi, what you gonna do right now? What you gonna do?
Naska, carry the money, Jack.
Where did they go, Pluto?
Pluto! Hello, Pluto.
I know they my crib. What did they stop and see the hotel?
You don't want which house? What are you talking about? You left me in the hotel and went home. Who's going to pay for the food I ate? And where's the money for the service I rendered to you last night?
I shower away and sleep. The money was supposed to pay you as a payment for fitted because you sleep. Now move.
Oh wow. So you don't want to pay me my money, Abi?
Delete my number.
Pluto, God will judge you. My God will judge you, don't worry.
May God judge me. Have a nice day. Man, block you. Delete my number. They block you so. Have a nice day.
Pluto Park.
I don't park now. Which one be Pluto Park? Wait.
Cash, or transfer.
See, I'm cashless. The only money one get now on gift card.
Then trade with Angel gift card. They are fast and reliable and safe to trade with. They have the best and highest price rates in Nigerian market. They are both on Android and iPhone. Now trade with them and send me my money.
I don't run now. How much be your money again? Let me 50K.
For the stress that you have put me through today, add 10.
You know we're still one place. Must you always talk? That's what slap this one. You know it's this time again. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? You know, we'll just stay on your own. Must you show the guy that her girl is cheating? Must you? They don't take slap wound you now. Hope you're okay now. Hope you're okay. So anyways, thanks for watching till the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? because this particular thing, it's more than just comedy. I think we need to learn a lot of things from this one, apart from this last episode. From that guy that stole 20k and within 10 minutes, and that stole 20k within 10 minutes, you go bet, go finish him, visual, instantly. You win, you collect, you still person 20k, and within 10 minutes you finished that money for visual, just like that. Come on, man, it's very, very bad, man. It's very, very bad. And then another one for people who say you go deal with your circles, and then when I go to talk, say I don't get money. You will get money, you know, will bring and make guys chop or stuff. So you go to hide that. Now, if you were Kante in that last video where we said they're picking money, take go to chop, what would you have done in that situation? Sure, you go carry all those things, Abi, you will just keep quiet, Abi. What will be your reaction? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please do not forget to check out my other videos. You know, I've got fantastic channel videos on my channel. Check them all out. Check them all out. And subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. You understand? So, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Peace out.